Okay, here are these Andis Master cordlesses. This I just took out of the box. I don't know how much volume is going to pick up here, but they're pretty quiet. They're not bad, but this one is new. So here, I figured out how to make them quieter. Okay, it's the lid. Fine there, it's right about here. Nothing there, but up here. And you can feel there's something there and there's something even worse there. You have to bend the lid. You kind of have to bend that down a little and bend this down a little. I hate this. And I kind of did that with this one. I got this side in really nice. But right, this one's better because I did bend it. But I did notice maybe not bad. It still gets quieter when you hold it. So it's just the lid. But now you can hear how much louder this one is because I bent that one a little bit. So I have to pause this, take these screws out, and you'll see. Okay, I just took the 2 screws out so I can take the cover off. Brand new one. Cool, huh? Batteries in there, huh? Motor. So to me, it's just these lids, and there's a gasket. It goes like that. Oh, sorry, there's a gasket that goes like that because that little spot's a little higher. And these wires are higher, so it fits right about like that. So right about here and right up there. I almost need to set this in a stand or something for me to do this. I need 2 hands. I need help. All right, let's get this ready. Okay, right about here. There we go. Okay. I felt that sink in a little there. Because that was one spot, and then right about down here, I'm just doing it with my hands. There we go. And I felt it. Now, hopefully, I'll put this back on. And I'm going to tighten the screws down and we'll take a listen. Okay, I haven't even turned it on yet. I don't even know if it worked. So, I felt it when I put it on. I don't feel that anymore. And here too, it feels like it's in the groove. I put this one on first so I could get this side sunk in good, snugged it, and then I put this one on second. Here we go. Same. Good. It should be quieter when I watch this back. It's fitting right in that groove really beautifully. And this is the one I did already, but I noticed by doing it again, you can be better. Right there. So anyway, I'd have to do this one too, but I think you could hear the difference. You still get a little quieter doing that, but the covers just aren't molded nicely. All you have to do is mold the covers, feel, touch around the edges, and it's about as quiet as I can make it. And you can feel it sunk in there. So there you go. How to make these a little quieter. Get the vibration out. So this one here, and don't over snug them. You'll strip the screw. All right. So this is right here. Yeah.